Hey guys, I'm Ben Antoine, founder of Credit Elite here. I hope everyone is safe and healthy during this coronavirus COVID crisis. I want to share and stress the importance of having a good credit during and especially coming out of this crisis. We are reaching out to people as now is the best time to repair, build your personal or your business credit. Some people have both, business and personal credit. Rest assured, the crisis is just a wealth reallocation, a wealth redistribution, if you will. And people with funds, cash, will prevail and capitalize on this crisis. Yes. Did you know that 99% of the wealth in America belongs to the top 1%? This crisis will make it even worse. It'll further the gap. Why? Because they will have the funds and buying power to purchase what used to be your or other people's businesses, house, car, restaurant, hotel, name it. The thing is that you may run out of money, but they won't. So save your business or prepare to take one over. Some business will fail during this crisis. The restaurant will be there, but the owners will be different. A good credit and access to funding during and again, especially after this crisis, will put you on the right side of things when it all reopens. It takes 90 days or less to either repair your personal credit or build a massive business credit. We're talking about $150,000 and plus. No cash flow needed in the company. New companies are totally fine to build business credit that is not linked to your Social Security. And between you and I, right now, credit bureaus and the disputing departments are understaffed due to the COVID crisis. It makes it even a better time to get going now and start repairing, building credits, and strategize for the near future. As they always say, never waste a good crisis. And trust me, this one is a very strong one. So get ready, call us, visit our website. Let us help you take control of your financial future to help you achieve your dreams. Take care, everyone, and stay safe. Build your credit.